How to refund items on Roblox. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm walking you through how to request a refund for items on Roblox. It's a straightforward process, so without further ado, let's get started. So first, open a browser and head to the roblox.com. Log in to your account using your username and password. And once you are signed in, you will be ready to access the features needed for a refund request. After logging in, click on the Roblox icon in the top right corner of the page. And after that, a drop-down menu will appear. From there, simply click on My Transactions. And this will display a list of items or transactions associated with your account. Find the items you want to refund and copy its name for later. This information will be important when you contact Roblox support. And if you don't see any purchases, like in my case, the process is the same. Just follow these steps with your own transaction details. Now, click on the gear icon in the top right corner and the drop down menu will appear. From there, simply click on Health and Safety. And after that, once you see the interface like this, simply select Help Center. And now, in the Help section, use the search bar to type in refund. And once you have searched that, click on the first result titled Unauthorized Charges and Refund Request. This page will provide Roblox refund policy and instructions. And after that, scroll down the page until you see the section titled Need More Help? Contact Support here. Click on that to open the support request form. And now on the support page, Roblox will ask for some details about your account and the issue. Under the issue details section, provide the name of the item you want to be refunded and explain the situation briefly. And once you have filled out everything, hit continue and Roblox will review your request and get back to you. And that's it. That's how you can request a refund on Roblox for purchase made with Robux. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.